CRC Evapo-Rust Heavy-Duty Rust Remover. Now available in an easy store, no-pour container. Perfect for any around-the-house project, Evapo-Rust removes rust to bare metal with no scrubbing. Just place items in dip basket, fully submerge in Evapo-Rust, and allow it to soak. CRC Evapo-Rust is water-based, pH neutral, solvent-free, non-flammable, and safe on plastic and painted parts. When finished, you can replace the lid and store for your next use. Evapo-Rust is completely reusable. Try Evapo-Rust today.